how to make my Roblox account 13+. Here I'll explain how this works. You want to sign into your Roblox account, then click on the gear icon in the top right and go into settings. Now here, if you scroll down, you will see your birthday and you will see a pencil icon next to your birthday. So here what you have to do is click on the pencil icon and change it to your accurate birthday, as long as you are indeed 13+, and then you will need to verify your birthday using an ID, driver's license, or passport. So like I said, you will need to update your birthday first here, and then you will need to go through the verification process. It says that it is verified for me because I have provided my ID, and then as long as your information checks out, then your birthday will become verified and you will no longer be able to change it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.